your smiles. I'll play people. This seems so natural, but I won't get you smoking. There's one that I'm warning. Criminal mentality. Take a deep into the people you depend on. That the man who on the find out robber. I know what I got, but that you got me. Got this way. You know me, right in the building. Kidding. Now let's not get overzealous here. You've always been a huge piece of shit. If I can kill you, I will. Come here. You gonna catch me? Ready?